Jason here from Ridgeline Overlanding, just installing another set of no-load designs skid plates and protection and recovery equipment. So starting up, we have got the tow hooks, one on each side here for the front. Good way to get pulled out if you need to. This brand new nice and shiny piece of sheet metal, aluminum, is a front skid plate extension, which is bolted to my main front skid plate, which has been bruised and battered over the last almost 3 years in the BC backcountry. Under here, we've got a gas tank skid plate, which is fairly scuff-free. If you look mid-screen, that is a rear diff skid plate. All of these from No Low Designs, Ian Lupo, my man in Pennsylvania. And going here, these are the carrier bearings. There are 2 of them. That's what we're working on right now. And this bad boy is going to sit over top like such. So we're going to get that bolted in and get myself some better protection, because as you can see, even with a 2.5-inch lift and bigger tires, the BC backcountry has got a lot to say to this Ridgeline. Carrier bearing skid plate number 1 at the front, down the drive shaft, and number 2 in the rear. These were not easy to remove. The bolts were in there with Loctite. Thank you for that, Honda. And I thought I was going to break the bolts off getting them out. Nearly lost my shoulder. Here's my gas tank skid plate, which I said didn't have much damage, but it's got a few little scuffs. And then let's get on back here to the rear diff skid plate. And we can see a couple of rocks of taking a ride down this plate as well. So this, folks, is why we have skid plates. Well, guys, thanks for watching. For you Ridgeline owners, hopefully you've learned the necessity of getting some protection. So be sure to check out No Low Designs, and they'll take good care of you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please feel free to do so. I get the Ridgeline out on all kinds of backcountry adventures, and I'd love to share them with you. So until next time, and there will be a next time, go play outside.